examples of what can create that anxiety that you may have been feeling or struggling with. Could be health issues, self-doubt, self-criticism. It could be a fear of judgment, stored trauma, stored emotion in the body that just needs to be released. It could be a lack of trust in yourself. It could be simply not knowing where to focus your attention to help your body find that equilibrium again in a stressful situation. It could be a health issue or lack of sleep. You ever noticed if you don't eat or if you haven't gotten enough sleep, you're crankier than you normally are? And if this is a repeated ongoing issue for you, that adds up and that can create unnecessary anxiety. It could be a confidence issue, feeling uncomfortable with your body and having sort of a strained relationship with your body. It could be sexual attraction, excitement that just gets a little over aroused. It could even be ongoing abuse, which is a real survival situation that needs to be addressed and handled. Could also be suppressed self-expression or resistance to your intuitive sensations. Sometimes what I hear from clients is they can sense how amazing their life would be, how great they would be, to the point that they wouldn't even recognize who they are on the other side. And they're excited, but because they're so excited, they translate that into anxiety and they start avoiding certain situations that would bring that greatness out of them. But you can see with so many potentials of what could be contributing to a person's anxiety. This is why those do-it-yourself methods for anxiety relief don't work for a lot of people. Now, if they do, that's great. But if you find that you're needing more help, you're not getting there on your own, it can be a complex process if you don't know what to look for. But the anxiety will be relieved when you get what you need, even if it's just a shift in thinking. If you'd like to learn more, send me a DM. I'd be happy to have a chat with you.